Hi, welcome to the channel. Here we are sharing a beautiful remedy to regrow lost hair. Just a caution that, before starting to use it, don't forget to do a patch test by applying small amount on skin and avoid if there is any allergy. Ingredients are coconut oil, fenugreek seeds, rosemary essential oil. Coconut oil is packed with essential fatty acids. It penetrates the hair shaft, nourishing your scalp and promoting hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins and nicotinic acid. They strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair thinning, and moisturize the scalp. Rosemary essential oil is known for its stimulating properties. It improves circulation, preventing hair loss and promoting thicker and healthier hair. Rosemary essential oil is considered more effective than minoxidil in stimulating hair growth. Combine 1 tablespoon of grounded fenugreek seeds with 100 milliliters of coconut oil. Add 15 drops of rosemary essential oil to the mixture. Place the container of this concoction in the sun or warm water for a short period. For the infusion to take place, let it sit for 2 days for better infusion. Observe the change in color. Strain the mixture using a cloth to remove fenugreek powder. After doing the patch test, if safe, apply this mixture on your scalp and leave it for an hour or overnight. Enhance its absorption by wrapping your scalp with a warm towel. Clean your scalp with a gentle shampoo after application. Use it 2 to 3 times a week. Enjoy the results of new. Thank you for visiting the channel. If you like the video, please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.